Hey, listen to this. I am going to take 50 women and help them to open their Amazon store for free. For free, okay? So if you ever thought about selling on Amazon, if you have products you want to put on Amazon, now is the time. This is our community service project that we're doing every single Monday at 9 p.m. Eastern. We open 50 women's store for free, okay? Amazon is not a platform that you want to miss out on, okay? When you're signing up for the application process, there's nobody to help you. There's no instructions, so you want to make sure that you take advantage of this situation, okay? Only 32% of women sell on Amazon's platform, and I am going to make that 99.9% because who shops the most? We do, all right? So make sure you click the link in the bio, you click the link above, or wherever you see a link, click that link now and come get your Amazon store and earn towards financial freedom and becoming debt free. Learn to earn the life you dream.